Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be solving this Geeks for Geeks problem called top k frequent in array. So in the problem statement, they have mentioned that they have given an array for us. Our task is to find and return the top k elements which have the highest frequency in the array. And we are also provided with the note here. If two numbers have the same frequency, the larger number should be given the highest priority. Let me take a input for you and explain. So this is the input given for us. For this, what we need to do is we need to take a dictionary and we need to store the occurrences of each element inside the dictionaries. So after iterating, the values present in the array will be added as a keys for the dictionary, and number of times that value occurred inside the array will be added as a value inside the dictionary. So we have noticed 3. If 3 is not there inside the dictionary, we will add 3 to the dictionary and we will make the count of 3 as 1. And 1 is there in the array, we will add it to dictionary as it is not present, and we will have the count of 1 as 1. We have identified 4 in the array. 4 is not there inside the dictionary, and we will also add the 4 inside the dictionary with the counter as 1. And we have again noticed the 4, but if we see here 4 is already there inside the dictionary, then we will increment the count by 1. Now 4, the number of times that 4 occurred will become 2. Now we have noticed 5 which is not present in the dictionary. We will add it to the dictionary by having count as 1. And we have also identified 2 which is not present in the dictionary, and we will add it to the dictionary by having the count as 1. And similarly for 6, we will have count as 1 as it is not present in the dictionary. And if we see here 1 is already present in the dictionary, and we will increment the count by 2. So we need to return the two elements. K indicates the number of elements we are supposed to return. So if you see here, the elements with more frequency is 4 and 1. So we need to return these two elements. But we need to remember another condition. If there is two elements with the same frequency, then we are supposed to consider the big one. So if we consider here 4 and 1 have the same frequency, but 4 is greater than 1, first we need to add 4 into the answer array and then 1. So output for this answer will be 4 and 1. So if you see here 4 and 1 is the answer. So let's implement the Python solution for this. At first I need to sort the given array in the descending order. So there is a function for arrays that is nothing but sort in Python. It will also take an input called reverse, and we will set it to true. There is a spelling mistake here. So what this function will do is this will sort the given array in place, and it will sort in the descending order. This is because when there is a tie between the elements, we are supposed to consider the bigger one over the smaller one. Now let's take an empty dictionary. Let the dictionary name be DIC for I in DIC. So if I in sorry, we need to iterate over the array, not dictionary. If I in dictionary, then we will increment the count of I by 1. Else, we will, if the element is not present, then we will initialize it to 1. So after performing these steps, we will have the dictionary with keys as the elements in the array, and values are the number of times that element occurred inside the array. Now what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to sort the dictionary uh, in terms of the values inside the dictionary. For that, I will take a new variable called sorted dictionary, and I'm going to use a inbuilt function called sorted, which is present in the Python. Inside the sorted function, I will send the dictionary as a parameter, and I will also mention a key. Key is another input parameter. it indicates on what basis we are supposed to perform the sort on the dictionary. So for that I will mention it as dictionary.get. What this dictionary.get, it will get the values from the dictionary, and here we are using it as a key. Basically what this indicates is we are sorting the dictionary on the basis of the values. And we also need one parameter, as we are supposed to sort on the highest frequency, right? uh, First element should have the highest frequency, uh, and going on we have a lowest frequency. And at last we need to return the k elements. Nothing but we will apply the slicing operator. So this sorted method will return the list of the keys, and we are returning the list of keys, I mean k list of elements. Let me run this query, I mean run this code. It is passing the sample test case. Let me submit. So it is passing all the test cases. Thanks for watching.